Cinematic layouts always feel deeper because every layer has a purpose behind it. Today, how to explore cinematic layered compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one wide rectangular frame slightly above center and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for dramatic focus. Duplicate the frame several times, enlarging each copy slightly while lowering opacity to build smooth cinematic depth behind the subject. Add one smaller supporting frame overlapping the composition for contrast and storytelling. Select the background and apply a dark muted gradient to enhance atmosphere naturally. Add subtle blur overlays and soft shadows